Alright guys, so after Bosch WAE2846GB/97 being in the house for almost a year, I think I brought it in on 21st July, I think around then, that's why I made a post about it. It is going to be leaving. This is machine's final day in the house. The video uploaded previous to this is the machine's final wash in the house. Now it's going. I'm getting a brand new hot point, which I'm going to install now. So yeah, bye bye Bosch. So here it is under the machine. Shock absorbers, drum, plastic motor, that's not very good. Seems quite secure though. Here's on the machine, big fat concrete weight there, and also plastic pulley. There's the motor board. That's loose. That can't be very good. If that starts rattling, I'll have to look at that. Shouldn't really be that loose, should it? Well, it's not going to drop out. And yeah, some areas all in all quite good. Yeah, brilliant.